Hi, I'm Jim Frank with the Academy of Q. I was a competition pitmaster with McFrankenboo Barbecue for 9 years, and I'm here to teach the average Joe how to Q like a pro. Like many of you, I struggled to break through with my barbecue game until a competition pitmaster told me a secret. He said, if you want to learn how to Q like a pro, you need to take a class from one. So that's exactly what I did, and before I knew it, I started winning. As a matter of fact, the first competition that I entered after taking my very first class, I finished second overall. When we finished our barbecue career, I finished 9th in the nation out of 16,000 teams in chicken and 24th overall in the country. We represented the state of Arizona in the Jack Daniel's World Invitational Barbecue Championship, where we placed in the top 20 out of 75 world-class teams. I never would have broke the barbecue code without taking a class from a true pitmaster. The problem was, classes weren't cheap. They were $750 to $1,000 a piece, and I'd have to fly somewhere for the weekend. I'd have to pay for flights and hotels, which would bring the cost of the class up to almost $2,500. Not to mention, I had to take good notes because I couldn't take the pitmaster home with me. So that's why I created the Academy of Q online barbecue school, where the average Joe learns to Q like a pro. You'll be able to learn online at your own pace from the comfort of your own home. I'll teach you step by step everything you need to know to Q like the pros, all for less than the cost of an average dinner. So, here's what you get when you join the Academy of Q online barbecue club. You get instant access to my vault of backyard barbecue clinics, as well as advanced lessons. You get all competition meats, plus many, many more. We cover trimming and prep work. We cover rubs, injections, and spices. We cover heat theory and fire management, and many, many more in our online video tutorials. We also have our private pitmaster community, where you can hang out with me and other Academy of Q members and discuss your recent cooks, tips, and strategies. We have our office hours, where we do live online Q&A weekly inside of our Facebook group. We also have several other super cool bonuses. So have a look at the below offer, and I'll see you right here on the Frankenboo Ranch.